We're in Vancouver, British Columbia. We're about to take a 4-day cruise to Los Angeles on the Grand Princess. This is so exciting!
So welcome to our fabulous sail away party. We're going to introduce some live entertainment now to kick things off. So without further ado, please would you welcome out our Grand Princess dancers, everyone!
Sarah, it's a windy time.
It is.
So Princess Cruise, Grand Princess, going under the bridge. Only 3 meters. And it's only 3 meters from the top of the smokestack to the bridge.
You're gonna go.
Alright, ready?
Backside of the bridge.
Yep, backside of the bridge.
Look under the bridge, look under, look up, look up, look up.
Look up, look up. What is wonderful? Underside of the bridge.
That was cool.
That's cool. We fit! You're loving it. We fit! That was close! Now let's hope he takes the right turn. Let's get right. No, left turn.
All right, all right.
If he takes the wrong turn here, he'll go to Alaska, which he usually does. But he doesn't want to go to Alaska now. He wants to go to Los Angeles. So let's hope he doesn't forget. Right, Mom? There's North Van and West Van.
Yeah, it's okay.
That's Stanley Park, Vancouver.
That was fun. I'm glad we came out under the bridge.
Yep. There's another cruise ship waiting to come in. There's one behind us trying to get out.
There's one coming in.
We got bombs, coming, bombers. See the cruise ship over there, Mom?
Oh, yeah.
It's waiting to come in.
So big. More.